Welcome back again to the new class. Now I'll continue with the rest half of Meet KD the Kid. So let's begin. Today we will continue from page number 24. Let's start. KD the fat kid with a wig can see a twig. Now KD, as I have told in earlier classes, when we write a special name we always start with a capital letter. So KD is a name of this kid. So what is KD doing? The KD the fat kid with a wig, KD the fat kid with a wig can see a twig. What can KD see? KD can see a twig. This is a twig. This is a twig. This is a small branch of a tree. This is a twig. And on the twig is a big fig. What is there on the twig? There on the twig there is a big fig. What is a fig? A fig is a fruit which we cook and eat. Okay? Amra ranna kore khai. It is a fruit but we cook and eat fig. Okay. KD the fat kid with a wig can see a twig. And on the twig is a big fig. What are the words? First one is big. B-I-G, big. Where we can find big? On the twig is a big fig. The fig is big. Next, fig. This is a fig. Next is twig. T-W-I-G. This is a twig. You can see twig. And in the sentence where we can see KD can see a twig. There is a fig on the twig. We can say it in two different ways. KD can see a twig. There is a fig on the twig. There are two different ways which we can say it. Next is can. C-A-N, can. KD can see a twig. On means on top of something. And on the twig is a big fig. On the twig is a big fig. See. S-E-E-C. C means to look at. KD can see a twig. Now page number 25. KD the fat kid with a wig did a jig. Oh, KD did a jig. Why? Because he saw a fig on the twig. So he felt very happy and started dancing happily. Jig means to dance happily. Now the big fig fell. KD gave a yell. While KD was dancing, the big fig from the twig fell on KD's nose. And KD gave a yell. Yell means to shout. When the big fig fell from the twig on KD's nose, KD gave a shout. But KD was happy too, because now he can eat the fig. The big fig fell, KD gave a yell. Now moving on to the new words. First one is did. Did means to do something. KD did a jig. Jig. Here you can find in this sentence jig. Fell. The big fig fell. Yell. KD gave a yell. Gave. KD gave a yell. Coming to the last page. Now let's see what is KD doing with the fig. KD, the fat kid with a wig, got a bib. Now, children, generally small babies, human babies, wear bib around their neck while eating. But here we can see KD, being a small goat, he is wearing a bib to eat the fig. Now, isn't it funny? Generally, small children wear bib. Now, here in this story, we can see a small goat is wearing a bib while eating a fig. Then, KD bit into the big fig. Now, when KD bit into the big fig, he felt very happy. Why? And he made a noise. When do we make this noise? When we like to eat something, when we love to eat a food, a particular type of food. Okay, then we do this. So, just like we do, KD also, while biting the fig, KD made a noise. That means he liked the fig. Now the new words. Bib. KD got a bib. We can also say children, rather small children wear a bib. Next is bit, B-I-T, bit. KD bit into the big fig. Got, KD got a bib. We can say like this. Rohit got a bib. Then, T-H-E-N, then. Then, KD bit into the big fig. Last, into, I-N-T-O. KD bit into the big fig. Now, let's do some question and answer. First question, what can KD see? KD can see a twig. Number 2, what is on the twig? A big fig is on the twig. Number 3, who can jig? KD can jig. Number 4, what is a fig? A fig is a fruit. Question number 5, who bit into the fig? KD bit into the fig. Now let's revise once again. What can KD see? KD can see a twig. What is on the twig? A big fig is on the twig. Who can jig? KD can jig. What is a fig? A fig is a fruit. The last one, who bit into the fig? KD bit into the fig. Children, read these question answers again and again. So, that's all about Meet KD the Kid, the remaining portion of the chapter and the question and answer. Children, you must read the chapter many times. You must read the new words as well and the question and answers again and again. Okay, till then, all of you stay safe. Meet you all in the next class and with another new topic. Thank you.